Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Clearbooks software from scratch. So let's see how to create a new account. So you can create a new account free for 30 days trial. Okay, as you can see, start a free 30 days trial. So I have to just enter name of my organization, then company name, then telephone name, email ID and password. Okay, so I'm just randomly entering the details of my company, just like I'm just creating a dummy account for just practice, and randomly enter the contact number, and I'm just entering my email ID. Okay, so this one is my Gmail's email ID. So I'm just going to enter the email ID in this way, and you have to enter the password. So you have to remember two things. First one is your email ID and your password only. Then you have to click here and sign up. Now it may take some time to sign up. Okay, now you have to select the basic structure of the company, like business type is sole trader or limited or partnership. Okay, so you can select as per your requirement. Then after, you have to select the location of company. Okay, so here I am going to select United Kingdom. Fine. And my currency is British pound. And about business, in about business tab, you have to select if you are VAT registered, if you're trading in multiple currencies, and if you want to enable CIS feature, then you can select it. Okay, then click next. Then after, you have to enter the VAT settings, like registration date of VAT, then scheme of VAT. Okay, whether you are yet registered or not in VAT, you can select all the things from here. Then you have to choose VAT accounting basis, like accrual or cash. So in this option, I am going to select invoice. Okay, now you have to set up the financial year. So I'm going to enter from 1st January 2024 to 31st December 2024. Okay, then click on next, and you can see here, if you are unsure, then you can change the same after. Okay, now I have to enter the bank detail. So I have to enter my primary account bank detail. I am just entering NetWest, entering random short code and account number. Okay, and click on next, and just enter one bank here. Now if you want to book a free demo, then you can do I'll book demo later. Now company creation has been done successfully, as you can see here. Okay, so this one is my basic dashboard. Fine, you can see the name of my company here. Now let's see the basic settings. In settings option, you can see organization settings, configure system and accounting. Then let's see organization. So here you can see the basic of details and text. You can see the name of the organization, then type of the organization, then contact details, contact number. Okay, trading address, billing. Fine. Same way, you can also upload logo. Same way, this one is VAT related settings. Okay, then CIS related settings. So you can modify, or if you want to add the details, you can do it from here. Now in configure system, you can see the different options like invoice preferences and all. And in accounting settings, you can see two options, account codes. So this one is my charts of account. Fine, you can see different code here. Some you can delete, some you can edit. Okay, these are the default codes. So you can see the account name, code, then statement, account type, default tax rate and all. And if you want to create a new code, then you have to click here. Fine, you have to just enter the name, then you have to select the particular group of account. Fine. So I'm going to discuss about the code creation in future. Fine. And the second option is periods. So you can see the different period here, from 1st Jan 24 to 31st December 24, then 25, 26, 27, 28. Now you can see the old transaction. You have option of delete the then you can lock and unlock the period. Okay, So there is option of lock and unlock. You have to just click here to lock the period. And if you again click here, then it will unlock. So this one is basic of Clearbooks software. So in this video, as we have discussed how to create client and basic settings of the Clearbooks. Okay. So in next video, I'm going to explain how to create suppliers and customers in Clearbooks. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.